So, welcome you all. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn the part 2, that is about no formalities. Please, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the formalities. As I have told you, what is the meaning over here about the no? K N O W. K N O W. That means we should know that. We should not fall we should not forget anything. We have to follow some formalities. Okay. So as in the part 1, what do we have saw that the standard 4 student have learned the writing of letter, that is letter, with the help of Mrs. Desai, and in that letter they have asked for the permission that they have only one lecture, library lecture, and that was not sufficient to read the book, and they have to wait for a week, and if in between the if in between if in between the uh, if in between holidays comes, what happens, they have to wait for 2 weeks. Okay, so what did the team, Mrs. Desai told them that you should seek or you should ask for the permission. If teacher principal allow us for the home issue, you can take the books at home on your own responsibility, and you can read that book with the careful, with taking lots of care. Okay, and you can return that with the given date. It's as simple as that. But to follow that, the Mrs. Desai taught them some formalities. Okay. So what formalities they were? They have to write a letter, they have to seek for the permission, and I have taught you the format also. That we have to write the receiver's address, sender's address, as well as we have to write the subject and the main content why we are writing the letter. Okay. So everything was mentioned in that formal letter very nicely. They have executed. But as they were learning it first time, they done so many mistakes. But after tying up 5 to 6 times, they keep trying. Lastly, Mrs. Desai approved that letter. Yes or no? She approved the letter, and that letter was given to the principal. So in this part 2, let us learn about the what happened next. How did the principal read that letter, and how did she uh, reacted? Okay, let us learn. So the lesson is no formalities, please. Part 2. Now after that, when the principal received the letter, she read the letter, and she called Mrs. Desai to meet. Let us see what happened, what conversation took place between them. Mrs. Desai met the principal soon after the class. She told her about the excitement that followed the announcement of new books in the library. What did in the last lecture? She announced that the new arrival is there. The new books have arrived in the library. And with hearing that, the class was very excited. Yes or no? So when Mrs. Desai met to the principal, she reminded that students were very excited about reading the book, but they are still facing some problems, and they wrote a letter to you. Have you read that? So they just cannot wait to read all those lovely books. She beamed. She beamed means she excitedly, or she taking interest, and she was talking in from the side of that class, that is fourth standard class. The principal was also delighted and praised her. What did the principal was very friendly nature, and she praised that teacher, that you are the teacher who's taking interest in students activities, and you make the students to be fond of reading. And she delighted means she was also happy with Mrs. Desai as a good teacher. And she said, the credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. She appreciated that teacher giving lots of efforts to make the student understand the reading ability or the reading skill. So she appreciated. What did she say? She praised Mrs. Desai with the words called, the credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. You have created and engrossed their interest in reading books. As I have told you, Mrs. Desai was the one who created interest among the student. They should have to read, and that reading interest is created with the help of Mrs. Desai. How? She uh, time to time she announced that these are the new books, these books are very interesting, you have to read the another book, the story book, everything. She made the curiosity among the student. Okay, so it is going to help them a great deal in future. What did she said? That when the students read the books, when they take interest in reading, they make a they have been skilled in that. Yes or no? So when they are skilled in that, that is good for their future. It is going to be a great deal in future. Okay. So the conversation was between the principal and the teacher. Now what did the Mr. Desai reply to that? Yes, madam. Very politely, very nicely she replied that, yes, madam, to the principal. But they find the weekly library periods too. Now she came to the point that what are the problems faced by the class. She told them, or she reminded again that because of the weekly period, the library period was weekly, Thursday to Thursday only, and only of the half an hour. So she reminded that to the principal that as the students were having a weekly library period, it is a short time to read. What did she say? That it's very short time, only half an hour they have. My students are going to appeal to you to allow home issue of books. What did she say? That my students are going to they are just applying or asking for the permission. Appeal means asking for the permission. So they are asking for the permission to allow home issue of the books. Now they have written you a letter. They have written to you a letter of request. Okay, she said that they have written a letter for a request. Let us see. A letter? Why? Asked the principal in surprise. What did she say that? Why did the students were writing a letter to me? They can come and meet me. They can ask me orally. So that was the surprise reaction of that principal. A letter, and from the fourth standard. She cannot believe that. I had to teach the class how to write polite formal letter. What did she said? Mrs. Desai said that I was about to teach them the letter writing, that is the polite formal letter, and I got the opportunity. I took this opportunity to make them actually write a formal letter. What did she said? She started explaining about why the students have written a letter. So what she mentioned, she said that I want to give them the actual experience. Yes or no? If they will write the letter in the notebook, that will not take a result. They have to write an actual letter that should be sent to the principal. That's why I took the opportunity and I make the students to learn how to write an formal letter. Okay. So with hearing that, what is the expression of what are the reaction of the principal was excellent, Mrs. Desai. She, just in excitement, she said, exclaimed the speech, and I shall not dampen their interest in reading. What she said that I should not have to, I shall not dampen their interest. Dampened means not avoiding. What is the meaning of dampen? Dampen means not or not taking less importance. I should have to give importance to their reading, interest in reading. Okay. So I shall certainly allow them to take books home for reading. What did she say? That yes, my class 4 students are very excited for the reading. I appreciate the letter writing of this. Everything is very nice. I want this change in my students, and I'm not going to avoid that. I'm not going to give less importance to their interest. as they are very small to home issue, but then also I want them to be very uh, creative and be very possessive about how to handle the book. If they will start from this year, they can be that interest of reading can be taken forward for their future. It will be good for their future. So she, in a in a minute, she allowed that I'm going to allow the student home issue. The next morning, the principal found the letter on her desk. As the letter was not reached to the principal, Mrs. Desai gave her the idea. Okay, and with that idea, the next morning, principal received that letter written by class 4. Okay, so let us see what happened. She signed the letter with the remark, permission granted. Okay, what did she said? She gave the permission, and when the formalities being followed, what is the letter should be signed with the principal and it is should be written permission granted. You must have seen, if you want the leave for your anything, you wrote a letter, and on that letter the principal from our school, that is Yogita ma'am, she signed on that permission granted with the date. Yes or no? So that is the formality the principal has been followed. She followed the formality and she granted the permission. Okay, so till here you must have understood that what is the scenario, what happened. The letter was written to the principal. Principal wrote the read the letter and she gave the permission. Okay, now there is a twist in that, and send it to the librarian. What? The librarian should know that the principal has granted home issue for the class 4. So what did the sign and her permission? She gave that letter or handed over that letter to the librarian. Okay. To encourage the children of class 4 further, the principal instructed the librarian to give a written reply to the students. Okay, now what did the principal told to the librarian? That we have to encourage the student. We have to give the most important thing, more interest to the reading. So what we are going to do, as the students have written a letter to all of to me, you have to give the reply, the permission granted reply. Okay, so she gave the instruction that librarian is going to write a letter to the student. Here's what he wrote. Let us see what the librarian has given the reply. Okay, let us see over here. In this, the librarian, you can see, as I have told you, the format, the sender's address. Who is sending the letter? The librarian. So he wrote library, Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur, and the date format. Look at very carefully the date format. I'll show you once again. The date format. See this. I'll zoom for you. Yes, this is the exact date format we have to follow in the letter writing. That is the date. That means when you are the day when you are writing that letter 07. Okay, and we have to write the month JULY, July. The letter was written over in the July month. So the spelling should be mentioned, not the number. And the year, in which year it was written, it is written in the year 2014. So this is the exact format to write the date in your letter, whether it is a formal letter, whether it is an informal letter, but you have to follow this format. Okay, let us continue with the letter. Sorry, just a minute. Okay, so librarian wrote about his address over here, and after that, what we are going to write? We have to write the receiver's address, the letter to whom we are sending. Okay. So who is going to receive this letter? This letter is going to be received by class 4. So that's why he returned to the students of class 4. Now here he did not mention the subject. Why do? Because as he was uh, writing a polite letter, it's not a formal letter. Okay. So it's a informal letter. He is going to be very friendly with the students and he is writing a letter to them for giving a excitement or giving a good news. That's why he wrote, dear children. What did he wrote? He greeted them with the dear children. Okay. After that, let us see what he has mentioned in the main body of that letter. What is this? This is the main body of our letter. Okay. So let us try to understand what is the main body. We have to give detailed description about why we are writing this letter. So in the first paragraph, what did he mention? That he was delighted. I am delighted to know that you are keen keen on reading the new books in our school library. What did he ask? That he gave the delighted that you people are interested in reading the books. Yes or no? So the principal has been kind enough to grant to you class permission for the home issue facility. He mentioned that the principal has been granted the permission. The home issue facility is being allowed to all of you. I shall keep the library open for an hour after the school. What did he mention? He mentioned particularly about the timing. He said that after the school gets over, I will keep the library on for an hour. 1 hour, the library will be open. So you can, okay. So he said that I shall keep the library open for an hour after the school on all weekdays. All weekday means from Monday till Friday, the library will be open for all of you. But now here what did he said? That you can come and collect any book, any one book of your choice. What did he said? That you can come and you can choose any one book, whichever you want to read, and return it. You have to give that book returned to the following week. You can keep the book for 1 week. You can finish your reading in 1 week, that is from Monday till Friday. You can read it, and after that you have to give me that book read. Okay. But I must urge you to read and observe the library rules displayed in the library. What did he said? He said that you first have to read the rules and the regulations which are to be followed. So what you will think? What are the rules? That is, the book should not be teared, the book should not be scribbled, it should be handled with the care, it should be returned on the same day which is being allotted. If you do the late submission, the fine will be applicable. All these, so many rules we have to follow when we are in the library. Okay, we have to be very silent. Our mobile should not be rang. I'm talking about the elder one. As a student, you must not have the mobile, but then also the students must do not talk loudly. You have to be very silent in the library. So many rules are being displayed on the library and they have to be followed by the students. If you are taking the book, you have to handle that book with the care. Okay. After that, in the third para, he wrote about do come and enjoy reading the books. I am open for all of you. You can come, you can take your books, you can read, and you can give it to me back. So you can come and enjoy your reading. After that, as we know, we have to mention the faith. Sincerely yours. What did he mention? Sincerely yours means I just uh, I'm very helpful to give you the service. Yours sincerely. And what's his name? The librarian's name is Mr. Vijay Patil. Who is the librarian? The librarian is Mr. Vijay Patil. Okay. So this was the letter written by librarian. Let us see what happened next. As they have came with this news. What happened? Just a minute. It's taking time to upload. As it is being uploading, let me tell you. Continue. Sorry for the interruption, but let us continue. After that, when the librarian wrote the letter to the students, okay, as the librarian wrote the letter, they have received the news. Let's see what happened. Hey, great news, cried the monitor. Cried the monitor means she shouted loudly with the excitement, with the happiness. She cried loudly in the class that we have a great news. We have received a letter from the librarian, and guess what did she say? That she was very happy, and in one breath she's continuously talking that we have received a letter from the librarian, and there is a good news for all of us. We can take the storybooks home to read. What is the excitement? That the permission was granted to home issue facility, and in one voice everyone was happy and said, wow, exclaimed Shruti with bright round eyes. She was very happy. She made her eyes round with the happiness. She said that, wow. Okay, so everyone, let us see what is the expression of everyone. Goodbye, boredom. Welcome, happy hours. Who said this? Shouted Akshay. Very loudly, the Akshay said that we say goodbye to the boredom. Happiness hours are being welcomed. We are not going to be bored. We are so many storybooks to be read. The letter from the librarian was put up on the class notice board for all to read. As we know that this is the letter written to the class 4, it should not be given to any one student. So for that, what did the librarian do? He has been just gave that letter in the notice board. It is being pinned up on the notice board so that every student can read. When Mr. Desai walked into the classroom, Mrs. Desai walked into the classroom, the teacher has entered in the class. The students of class 4 burst out into many exclamation of thanks. What did everyone was exclaimed? Exclaim means the happiness, the excitement which we have. As I have taught you in the punctuation, exclamation mark, it shows our expression. It shows our happiness, sadness, all our expression. So with the happy exclamation, what did the students of class 4 are being thanking to the teacher? Yes, teacher, because of you, we have received this permission. You are very nice teacher. You are very supportive. All these words are burst into the teacher's ear. Everyone was appreciating that teacher. Shall we write a letter to thanks to the librarian? What did the student from that class suggested that should we write a returned letter or the thanks letter to the librarian? And who is that? The suggestion was given by the Manuja. If this, the suggestion was given by Manuja. What did Manuja, the teacher, that now we are again going to write a letter, the thanks letter to library. That's an excellent idea, said Mrs. Desai. The teacher said that, yes, that's a good idea. It will be the practice for you to write a letter. So keep writing. It's a good thing that you people are very excited about all these things. Smiling to herself at this new interest in formal letter writing. What did she found the interest in students, or the students have found the interest in writing a formal letter writing. This is the letter to thank the children wrote to the librarian. What? This is the letter that is being written to the librarian as they want to thank to the librarian. Let us read the letter. Okay. What did the class 4 has written? The as the same format we are going to follow, that is the sender's address. Who is sending this letter? The class 4 is sending the letter. That's why they did not mention any particular student's name. What did they mention? They mentioned about class 4, Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur, and we know the exact format of writing the letter. 8th of July 2014. Now, to whom they are writing the letter? They are writing a letter to the librarian. They are writing the letter to the librarian. That's why they mentioned to the librarian Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur. Okay. Once you have mentioned the date here, you don't have to mention over here. You just have to mention the name and the address of the receiver. Okay. So the subject written over his is an expression of thanks. What did the subject is? The thanks letter, an expression of thanks. Let us see what did the students have written. Dear sir, thank you ever so much for kindly making the home reading facility available to us. Okay, they directly started with the letter that thank you ever so much for kindly making the home reading facility available to us. We are really grateful that we are going to we are we are going to wait back 1 hour after school just for us. What did say? That you are going to wait for all of us 1 hour after the school, and that is very grateful for all of us. We are very thankful for you. Okay, so thank you very much for your encouragement. As they have encouraged, the reading skill has been encouraged. That's why they said thank you very much for your encouragement. We promise to abide by the library rules and handle the book with great care. Now, what did they said? That we promise you to abide by the library. We are going to follow the formalities. We are going to understand what are the rules, and we handle the book with a great care. Not only with the care, but the great care. Many thanks once again. Okay. After that, they said many thanks once again, and the faith. Yours faithfully. They are showing the faith that they are not going to break the yours faithfully, students of class 4. Okay. This is the letter which is being returned by the students to the librarian for thanking. Okay. I hope you must have understood with the help of this lesson that how to give an formality, how to follow the formalities. Once you have asked for the permission, if the permission is being granted, you have to write a letter once again, that is the letter of thanks, the letter for thanking someone. Okay, so let me just